Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this exciting video presentation on a topic that affects millions of people around the world: losing stubborn belly fat. I am delighted to be your host for this informative and engaging video. Belly fat is one of the most common problems that people face today, and it can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. Not only does belly fat affect our appearance, but it is also linked to numerous health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. However, losing belly fat can be a challenging and frustrating journey for many people. With so much conflicting information out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure where to start. That's why I have created this video to provide you with the tips and tricks you need to lose belly fat fast and achieve your health and fitness goals. So, get ready to dive into the world of belly fat loss, as we explore the most effective ways to shed stubborn fat and improve your overall health and well-being. Are you looking to shed stubborn belly fat? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of a calorie deficit and how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. First, let's define what a calorie deficit is. Essentially, it means that you're consuming fewer calories than your body is burning each day. This creates an energy deficit that forces your body to tap into its fat stores for fuel. By consistently maintaining a calorie deficit, you'll be able to burn off excess body fat, including that pesky belly fat. Creating a calorie deficit is not as difficult as you may think. There are several ways to achieve it, such as reducing your portion sizes, increasing your physical activity, or a combination of both. It's important to find an approach that works best for you and your lifestyle. Tracking your calories can be a helpful tool in creating a calorie deficit. By keeping track of what you eat and drink, you'll be able to see where you may be consuming too many calories and make adjustments accordingly. There are several apps and websites that can assist you in tracking your calories, making it easier than ever to reach your weight loss goals. So, if you're looking to lose belly fat fast, remember the importance of a calorie deficit. By creating an energy deficit, you'll be able to burn off excess body fat and achieve a healthier, happier you. Now that we've discussed the importance of a calorie deficit, it's time to get moving with some effective exercises to target your abs and burn belly fat. These exercises are a crucial part of any belly fat loss journey, and with the right form and modifications, they can be done by anyone at any fitness level. First, let's start with crunches. This classic exercise targets the rectus abdominis muscle and is perfect for toning and strengthening your abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and exhale as you crunch up towards your knees. Inhale as you lower back down to the starting position. Remember to engage your core throughout the exercise and avoid pulling on your neck. Next up, we have planks. This exercise targets not only the abs but also the entire core, including the back and glutes. Start in a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself to the ground, hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight and hold for as long as you can, making sure to breathe steadily. For a modification, you can lower your knees to the ground. Lastly, we have bicycle crunches. This exercise targets the obliques and transverse abdominis muscles, which are essential for a strong and toned core. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your left elbow towards your right knee, while extending your left leg out straight. Switch sides and repeat, alternating sides for the desired number of reps. Make sure to keep your core tight and your lower back pressed into the ground. Incorporating these exercises into your fitness routine, along with a calorie deficit, will help you to effectively target your abs and burn belly fat. Remember to start slow and focus on proper form, and with consistency and dedication, you'll see progress in no time. When it comes to losing belly fat, cardio is a crucial component of any fitness routine. Here are some of the reasons why. Cardio is effective at burning calories, which is necessary for creating a calorie deficit and losing fat. Cardio can help target stubborn belly fat by increasing blood flow and promoting the breakdown of fat stores in the abdomen. Cardio can also improve heart health, boost energy levels, and reduce stress and anxiety. To make the most of your cardio workouts, consider incorporating these types of exercises: running or jogging, cycling, swimming, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, jumping rope, rowing. To keep your cardio workouts interesting and enjoyable, try these tips. Listen to music or podcasts to help pass the time. Switch up your routine by trying different types of cardio exercises. Find a workout buddy or join a fitness class to stay motivated. Set goals and track your progress to stay accountable and celebrate your achievements. Resistance training, also known as strength training, is a highly effective way to build lean muscle mass, increase metabolism, and burn fat. Unlike cardio exercises, which primarily burn calories during the workout, resistance training continues to burn calories even after the workout is over, due to an increase in muscle mass and metabolic rate. Some of the best resistance training exercises for targeting belly fat include squats, lunges, and push-ups. Squats and lunges work the lower body, including the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, while also engaging the core muscles. Push-ups are a great exercise for targeting the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It's important to use proper form and technique when performing these exercises to prevent injury and ensure optimal results. For example, when performing a squat, keep your feet hip-width apart, engage your core muscles, and lower your hips as if you are sitting back into a chair. Modifications can be made to these exercises to make them more accessible for beginners or more challenging for advanced exercisers. For example, beginners can start with bodyweight squats and lunges, while more advanced exercisers can add weights or resistance bands to increase the intensity. Tracking your progress is crucial to achieving your weight loss goals. Without tracking your progress, it can be difficult to know whether you're making progress or not, and it's easy to become discouraged and give up. When it comes to belly fat, studies have shown that stress can contribute to its accumulation. This is because stress triggers the release of the hormone cortisol, which can promote fat storage in the abdominal area. Therefore, it's important to manage stress effectively to reduce the risk of belly fat accumulation and improve overall health. Here are some strategies for managing stress. Mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and focusing on your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Meditation. Meditation is another effective strategy for managing stress. It involves focusing your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help you relax and reduce stress levels. They involve taking slow, deep breaths and exhaling slowly. By incorporating these stress management strategies into your routine, you can improve your mental and physical health, reduce the risk of belly fat accumulation, and achieve your weight loss goals. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, including weight loss and fat burning. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels, particularly cortisol and ghrelin, leading to increased appetite, cravings for high-fat and high-sugar foods, and slower metabolism. In contrast, adequate sleep helps regulate these hormones and supports a healthy metabolism, leading to more effective fat burning. To improve sleep quality and quantity, consider creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book before bed. In order to lose belly fat, it's important to eat a balanced diet that is rich in nutrients and low in processed foods. Some of the best foods for losing belly fat include lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu, as well as fruits and vegetables which are high in fiber and vitamins. Healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil can also be beneficial in moderation. To create a healthy eating plan, it's important to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and avoid foods that are high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. In addition to a healthy diet, it's important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This can help to flush out toxins and support overall health. By making small changes to your eating habits and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can create a healthy lifestyle that supports weight loss and overall well-being. Hydration is essential for overall health, including weight loss and reducing belly fat. Water helps to regulate body temperature, transport nutrients and oxygen, remove waste, and lubricate joints. When it comes to losing belly fat, hydration can play a significant role in reducing bloating and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can help to reduce calorie intake. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to a sluggish metabolism, which can make it harder to burn fat and lose weight. It can also cause water retention, which can lead to bloating and make you appear heavier than you actually are. To stay properly hydrated, it's recommended to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day. However, individual needs may vary depending on factors such as activity level, climate, and overall health. Other sources of hydration include low-sugar fruit juices, herbal teas, and water-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables. It's important to avoid sugary drinks such as soda and energy drinks, which can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing health problems such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Instead, opt for water or unsweetened beverages such as tea or coffee. Adding a slice of lemon or lime to your water can also add flavor without adding calories. Overall, staying hydrated is an important part of a healthy lifestyle and can play a significant role in losing belly fat and achieving overall health and wellness. How to tips for sticking to your weight loss plan and avoiding common pitfalls. Here are some tips. Set realistic and achievable goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. Set small, incremental goals that can be accomplished over time. Celebrate your achievements along the way, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can help keep you accountable and motivated. You can encourage each other, and it can make the workout more enjoyable. Make a plan and schedule workouts. Plan out your workouts for the week ahead of time, and schedule them in your calendar. Treat your workouts like any other appointment or meeting, and stick to them as much as possible. Keep a food diary. Track your food intake and make note of any triggers that may cause you to overeat. This can help you identify patterns and make changes to your eating habits. Avoid fad diets. Fad diets may promise quick results, but they are often unsustainable and can be harmful to your health. Instead, focus on making small, healthy changes to your eating habits that you can maintain over time. Don't rely on extreme exercise programs. While intense workout programs may help you lose weight quickly, they can also lead to burnout and injury. It's important to find a workout routine that is challenging but sustainable for the long term. Surround yourself with support. Seek out the support of friends and family who will encourage you and help you stay on track. Joining a support group or working with a personal trainer can also be beneficial. Remember, sustainable weight loss takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, it is achievable. In conclusion, losing belly fat is a common goal for many people, but it requires a multifaceted approach that involves exercise, nutrition, sleep, hydration, stress management, and motivation. By incorporating the tips and strategies discussed in this video, such as incorporating high-intensity interval training, resistance training, and cardio, avoiding processed foods, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, managing stress, setting realistic goals, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Remember, the journey to losing belly fat is a marathon, not a sprint, so stay committed and be patient with yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.